Hi everyone, this is Darcy and welcome to the best skin of your life in 30 days. On this series, I'm going over the Ziip app plan, the best skin of your life in 30 days, showing you real-time tutorials of all the treatments, as well as sharing my before and after so you can see which kind of results you can get. On this challenge, you should see results for lifting, fine lines, dark spots, and even skin texture because the Ziip is a microcurrent device that has both microcurrent and nanocurrent, so it does much more than just lifting. And I'll also love if you can join me on this challenge. And today is day 12. Day 11 was a break, and today's treatments are Founder's Favorite and Eyes. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below and like this video if it's helpful to you. Now let's get to it. Before we do the demo, let me go over all the treatments of today. The first treatment of today would be Founder's Favorite, and it's truly one of my favorite treatments because it's super gentle. It only uses nanocurrent to really help your skin quality, brightening, stimulate collagen production, and many other things. So let's read a little bit about the Founder's Favorite treatment. So Founder's Favorite, you won't feel a thing, but you will notice it all. Energizing nanocurrents sync with your body to deliver suspiciously good results. Make this pro-worthy treatment part of your regime for noticeably smoother texture and tighter skin that only gets better over time. Once you discover the power of nanocurrent, there's no going back. Ziip tips. The goal of this treatment is the cumulative skin texture improvement. The result is highly effective, long-lasting in smoothing effects. The current is only nanocurrent. The intensity is delicate sensations, and the level is easy. The other treatment we're going to be doing today is eyes, which is a super quick treatment, only 3 minutes, and it really helps your eye area. And is a great treatment to combine with any other Ziip treatments. Target your Ziip treatments where it is often needed the most, your eyes. Elevate the eye region, offset dark circles, and depuff eye bags with gentle microcurrent. This is the perfect treatment after a night of poor sleep to revitalize your eyes. Ziip tips. The goal is to brighten, fill, lift, and awaken your eye area. The results, it helps to fade dark circles, decrease puffiness, and lift your eyes. The current is low microcurrent, the intensity is soft fluttering vibrations, and the level is moderate. So now let's get to the demos. After you apply the gel all over, you're ready to start your treatment. To start the treatment, make sure you go to Plans and select Begin Next Treatment. And press the power button on the bottom to sync your Ziip. And you can apply the gel all over. Founder's Favorite is a treatment that really helps your skin quality. So the more tissue that you cover with this treatment, the better. And also the only areas to avoid is the thyroid, but you can apply anywhere else, and you can also use it on your neck as well. So you can start the treatment here, and you can see the Ziip is glowing to indicate that it has started. And it's a free-form treatment, and you can use it under your eyes, on your eyelids, anywhere you want. There is no wrong way of doing this treatment, and I even do it on my lips as well, which I'm going to show you, because it's a treatment that really helps your skin quality. And the more you use this treatment, the more results you will see, because it uses nanocurrent. So it's not lifting the muscle, it's only working on your skin quality, on dark circles. You can also do this little bobbing here that she does to use both on the forehead. Also helps to increase elasticity. It helps to send signals to your skin to increase collagen production. And when I started using the Ziip in 2016, I did use this treatment, like, I don't remember if they had a Founder's Favorite back then, but there's treatments that use nanocurrent. And I can tell you that it really helps your skin quality the longer you use. And after you're done with the treatment, even once, you see like a natural glow to your skin, almost like it's lit from within. So it's one of my favorite treatments because it doesn't use any strong current, so you don't feel anything, and you can put it on the lips. And always make sure that you have both globes touching the skin, and anything that is between the globes is the area that you're treating. So treat as many as you can. And I started this treatment, I even did it on my nose. And when we started this challenge, I had a big acne on the top of my nose. And it healed because I suffer from acne as well. I know it doesn't look like it because I do treat it with LED lights, which I haven't been using consistently right now since I'm testing the Ziip. But when I used the Ziip for the first time in 2016, it really helped with my acne, and I was having really bad breakouts of cystic acne. And I have done treatments. There's a specific acne treatment for the Ziip that now combines. I'm not sure if they're gonna cover this on the 30-day, but on the Ziip with Me series, I did go on the treatment that covers acne as well as skin, blemishes. But the nanocurrent on the founder's favorite also help to heal your skin. And if you use with other devices such as radio frequency or lasers, is also a great treatment to use to keep your skin hydrated, because it also helps with the hydration. And it's a very, again, sweet subtle treatment that you don't feel a thing, you just hear the vibrations. So it is working when you see the Ziip lights glowing, and it will beep to change size. And you can do this watching TV, watching a movie. And this is a Ziip treatment that you technically can do it every day because it's not really microcurrent, but so combines really well with other treatments, as I mentioned, because it's super gentle and is working on the skin and not the muscle. The lips. So treat as much skin as possible. You can do slowly on the double chin. And as she mentions, the treatment, you don't really have to think about it. Now you change size. So you can start. And you can go as slow as you want, as fast as you want. I have mentioned a couple of times when I'm doing the series, but the video, it's not synced to the treatment. So you truly start the treatment when the Ziip glows. That's why sometimes I'm a little ahead of her, because a lot of times I start my treatment before she puts the globes on the skin. But the video is there on the Ziip app to guide you, but you can pretty much do your own thing. But you do have to sync the Ziip to the treatment. So the Ziip is synced to the treatment, but the Ziip is not synced to the video. I get that question a lot, that's why I'm kind of covering, because I know it can be a little confusing. But especially the Ziip Halo treatments, I've noticed, and again, I've been using the Ziip since 2016, so I've been through many different versions of the app. But even the first version of the app was pretty amazing. I think the Ziip app has always been ahead of its time. The Ziip itself. The only thing that the Ziip I wish they included in the future is a way to change the intensities, but I also understand why they don't do that. Because Melanie is a esthetician of over 2 decades of experience. So each Ziip treatment, she creates the perfect settings, the perfect strength, and also uses different waveforms that I talk about it on my other Ziip videos when I go over the technology of the Ziip. And the waveforms are very unique to the Ziip because I've seen an interview with her that she uses like more than 24 different types of waveforms. And waveforms, in a nutshell, is how the current enters your skin. So she tailored each treatment to be the best for the skin, and that's why I feel like they don't have a way of lowering the intensity, because she made it, with the waveforms combined with the nanocurrent and microcurrent. And being an esthetician of over 20 years of experience, you're getting that treatment as if you were having a treatment with her. And I actually met her in 2016 when I bought my Ziip. I bought at the actual store, not the Ziip store, but she was having a demo, and I went and she did a treatment on me, and it was so good that I bought the Ziip right away. And at the time, I used the Ziip for a whole year, and I only stopped using the Ziip because I got pregnant, and you cannot use when you're pregnant, by the way. But I did see great results, and I'm glad that they did this new version of the Ziip, which is a little more affordable, and she offers discount codes, which I do have as well. You can check on the description box. But when I bought my Ziip, there were no coupon codes. I bought full price, and my Ziip from 2016 still works. So that goes to show that it's a very well made device. And I've seen many different updates of the app, and she's always adding new treatments. And I love doing the series for you guys because there's so many treatments that I find that sometimes it's easy to not, oh yeah, let me do my nose here, to not do them, to just kind of stick with a couple, and then you missed out on all the other treatments. So I love this series because that way you guys can explore the treatments with me. Also, make sure to check the Ziip with Me series that I show even more treatments than she's showing on the 30 days, because I've noticed the 30 days she's focusing. Yeah, she's focusing on the 30 days a lot on the best results in 30 days. But I also go over all the treatments from the app on my Ziip with Me series, so make sure to check that out. And if you follow along with this challenge, you check out the 30 days Ziip with Me challenge. And that's it, guys. So we're done. We're gonna go to the next treatment, which will be eyes. So again, I'm a little ahead of her because I started the treatment before. But now she's done, and when she completes the treatment, it's gonna take you back to the app. And now you can see that you have a little check mark next to Founder's Favorite. And to start the next treatment, you select Begin Next Treatment, and we'll start the eyes treatment. So press the power button at the bottom. Make sure you sync your Ziip. And we already have the serum all over. That's why I ask you to put even on your eyelids, because this treatment is focused on the eye area. So you put the globes down, and you can see the Ziip, the wrong way, glowing. And the eye one is a gentle treatment that you can use even very close to your eyes and open your eyebrows. And she talks about 2 different ways that you can do this treatment, and I'm using, I don't know if you can see here, I'm going right under my eyebrows, not on the lids but under the eyebrows, and I'm not putting too much pressure. You just kind of let the current do its thing. And Melanie, she shows 2 different ways you can do this treatment. You can either pull to the side to get more of a cat eye effect, and the vibrations remind you to start a new stroke. So you start on one vibration and now go to the next eye. So again, set the globes down, and once it glows, you're starting your treatment. And I like to pull up to open my eye on the top of my brow here, on the peak of my brow. But depending on how your eye shape is or your preference, you can do it to the side like she's saying here. And this treatment she has repeated a couple times. She has a couple different eye treatments on the app, but I've noticed from the challenge she's repeating this, and I feel like to kind of really get the effect to use consistent. And I have definitely noticed that it has helped with my dark circles, because it may not look like it right now, guys, but I have not been sleeping well. Yeah, so then we're all done, and you can see that you get an instant lift effect. And yes, so now you are done. You are complete the treatment of today, so you just click OK. And tomorrow there is no treatment. I just wash my face and I feel my skin look soft and brighter, and I do look more rested. If you're interested on the Ziip, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And if you want to follow along on this challenge, make sure to check the other treatments on the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on the next treatment. Bye.